अहिले चाहिँ रातिको भने पनि बिहानको लगभग 4 बजिसकेको छ। अहिले चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ यहाँको एउटा नियर बाई स्पटमा चाहिँ त्यहाँको सन भ्यू भनेर अन्त अर्ली मर्निङ सन भ्यू अनि वी गोइङ टु सी हाउ द सन भ्यू द अर्ली मर्निङ अनि त्यो हामी चाहिँ हेर्न अहिले जाँदैछौँ। अनि अहिले चाहिँ हाम्रो गाडी यहाँ रेडी छ। अनि भर्खरै हामी उठेर जस्ट निन्द्रामा मुख धोएर अनि साथी आयो अनि त्यसपछि बिहानको सन भ्यू त्यहाँको हेर्ने भनेर निस्किन थाल्यौँ। अनि हामी चाहिँ यहाँबाट निस्किन लागेको अब। अनि म त्यहाँ गएर बिहानको अर्ली मर्निङको सन भ्यू कस्तो हुन्छ भने म त देखाउँछु होइन भिडियोमा बसेर। अन्त सबै सन भ्यूहरू हेर्नुहोस्। जस्ट स्टे इन माई भिडियो एन्ड जस्ट ह्याभ ए लुक द हाउ द अर्ली मर्निङ सन भ्यू लुक ओभर इन द like in our place like in Shillong like Umyam. From the Umyam there's not that much of far. It's like about 30 minutes to reach over there हैन। अनि हाम्रो गाडी चाहिँ रेडी हुँदैछ। इट्स द अर्ली मर्निङ गाइज, अर्ली मर्निङ 4 o'clock just now. The right now the time is like 4:30 about, okay, and just now we wake up and we are going now, okay. The vehicle is ready over there and we are going. So see you guys over there. Be with me. So our vehicle is ready here. So we are going to have the sun view. So driver is also ready. Where are you going?
Sleep, without nothing.
Okay, without sleep. This time is exactly now 4:30 in the morning.
Tomorrow I have to go for my office.
Okay.
And now the time is 4:30. We'll be spending there till 6 or something.
Okay.
And then I have to join office at 9. So let's see what happens. And I have around 10 cases tomorrow.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay, the 10 cases for tomorrow, no problem. So our vehicle is ready right here. So we are going now. It's the 4:30 in the morning. So see you guys over there. Stay with me. देखो हम लोग पूरा ऑफ रोड जा रहे हैं। ये बहुत ही डरावना खतरनाक रास्ता है भाई। ओ भाई साहब, एकदम कैमरा हैंडल करना भी बुरा एकदम बहुत मुश्किल है यहाँ पे। इतना लाइक ऑफ रोडिंग रास्ता है क्योंकि बहुत से टॉप में हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं अभी ऑलमोस्ट। एक सन व्यू का व्यू दिखाने के लिए आप लोग के लिए बस
आगे सन व्यू देखो सर।
आप लोग का परेशानी आप लोग के लिए बस इतना कुछ हम लोग कर रहे हैं, ठीक है। मेरे लिए तो कुछ नहीं, आप लोग के लिए। अभी हम लोग गाड़ी पार्किंग में लगा के थोड़ा, ठीक है, उसके बाद हम लोग वहाँ से पार्किंग में लगा के हम लोग को थोड़ा ऊपर तक चलना पड़ेगा। वो चल के हम लोग वहाँ तक पहुँच के हम लोग दिखाएंगे। बहुत ही परेशान है। यस,
It's 5 in the morning.
Okay.
I haven't slept yet.
Yeah.
Then I had my lunch.
And
tomorrow and today
yeah.
I have to go for my walk.
Okay.
It starts at 10 a.m. and it's 5 a.m. now. I haven't slept, haven't had my lunch yet.
So we are going to have the sunrise view.
Yes.
Okay. That's like once in a lifetime. So we haven't seen that much of sun view in the morning. So now it's almost 4 o'clock in the morning. We have like came out from the home and like in the 5 o'clock now it's already. So it's pretty cold. It's like not pretty cold, it's a fucking cold, guys. Like we almost reach here. So we have to get the ticket and get inside. So be with me, I will show you. So there's a small shop we have found over here and they're burning the fire also. Okay, it's a big things for us, okay, and like we like feeling like a little bit of warmer because of the fire. We will have the tea, the red tea and all, okay, with the biscuits, and after that we'll get inside from here to get the sun view and just be with me and we'll have the tea, okay. क्या चाय है क्या?
Okay भाई.
हाँ?
Okay. अंडा है, चाय है, पूरी सब्जी. क्या खाएगा सब?
लेता है ना चाय भाई थोड़ा.
Sunrise ni tadi. So kan hotel right. So kan hotel ni kan. Mana? Ada sunspire. But em đây rồi but bisa dibayar sih bakal air. 2 बजे.
तो अभी 5:10 हो गया है, अभी टाइम है बहुत 40 मिनट्स. ओके,
Siya time na nga hamdi trail na siya.
नो प्रॉब्लम. चलो अभी हम लोग कुछ लेके यहाँ से, ठीक है. यहाँ पे छोटे से ऊपर दुकान भी है, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे दुकान पे कुछ आप खाना वाना लेके यू कैन बाय समथिंग, एंड आफ्टर दैट, आफ्टर द लिटिल बिट ऑफ रिफ्रेशमेंट, यू कैन गेट इनसाइड. अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे सनराइज के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं. ओके, वी आर वेटिंग फॉर दैट मोमेंट गाइस. व्हाट यू वांट टू से समथिंग लाइक फ्यू वर्ड्स लाइक.
Kya bole? It's a mesmerizing sunrise. I've seen it 1,000
okay.
times, yet it's not enough.
Okay.
It's still beautiful as the first time I saw it, and it's still beautiful till day. And I'm happy to share with my friend Sagar here. I'm really glad that he was able to witness this beautiful sunrise today.
Okay.
Is that?
We'll show you guys how the sunrise will look like. But I'm waiting here for like since the 4 o'clock in the morning, and we are finally waiting for that moment. And I'll share that moment, the picture, the mesmerizing view with you guys. And it's really lucky that you guys have a chance to look to the video of mine. Okay, just have a look. It's already a morning, like the time is like around the 5:30. We are waiting here since like 4:30. Okay, it's already like the Golden Bridge, the view, the horizon one, and after that we'll get the sunrise view. It's like so cold, you can't imagine how the wind is cold. Like even I can feel that like 2 or 3 degree.
It's -2 degrees.
-2 degree, right? It's a minus degree. Okay, I will share you the view how it's look like. Okay, just have a look. The view was like, oh my god. Okay, it was like amazing.
Good luck, Chan.
What do you want to say, Gilbert, about the view?
What to say? What to say, bro? Just
Yeah.
witness it. There's no words enough to describe how beautiful the sunrise is. Just witness it by yourself and let the viewers decide how beautiful the sunrise is.
Since how long we are waiting for this, right? We're waiting like since like 3 o'clock in the morning.
I haven't slept, bro. I
Yeah,
told
we
you,
haven't slept whole
slept.
night. We're driven like for the 2 hours we are driven from our home back to the scenario for this kind of scenario, just to show you that how it's look like. Okay, the sun is rise like almost to wake up guys.
At 6 the sun will rise.
Yeah, it's like there's a few minutes left, but hope the sun rise together with you guys. Stay with me, okay? There's too much of crowd. The crowd are waiting for that view only. They came for a long way and waiting for this kind of view. I'll show you from the wide angle view, okay? This place is like newly they've allocated this place and this cover for the best scenario of the like sunrise. This is like nearby in our place in the Barapani Dam side and the bypass road. From there you have to driven like few meters only, like 30 minutes driven from the bypass. Okay. The whole crowd are there waiting for this kind of scenario. They came from all the long way from like Shillong, like some people they came from the Guwahati, Assam. Okay, even me, I came from Dubai for this kind of view.
Dulu pela arah itu. Kal bin mo. Kawan ako na po.